I feel so good, I feel guilty. This is dedicated to the people that can't speak up for themselves. All right? From 1986 to now, get shorty. We're going to go through the history of being black in America. All right? Social media for social change. And we're going to do this on Facebook. Facebook Live. All right? That's Letters Design. You can look it up. All right? You can Google it. Letters Design. A Rob Fix production. That's all my intellectual property. That's Attorney General Anthony Brown. I was making a documentary, and he was the subject of the documentary. Everything that Anthony Brown got, you got to turn over to the voters before the 2024 elections. Ex-felons got a right to vote. So I documented everything about you keeping ex-felons from voting. That's Attorney General Anthony Brown, and he's had this. That's legal mail. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. When I put that toilet in front of Towson, it was about the corruption in the courts. Got a story called Shorty. My number ain't changed. All right? See the date? P.O. Box, May 2008. Governor Westmore got that. Getting ready to pull y'all's card. President Obama asked for an investigation. Please allow 30 to 60 days, all right, for our agency to respond. Then we're going to go to page 2. Handwritten. See that case right there? Those are the cases, all right? Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake, the DVD from 2/6/2011. Internal Affairs Division. It's when y'all came in my house and put guns to my head. That's Richard McFeely from the FBI. That's Richard McFeely from the FBI. You see that? Movie release, 2/24/2014, Towson Courthouse. Case number. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. You talking about a body of politics? No, we're going to talk about a body of politics. See the email? Congressman Cummings, corruption. You got that. Document it. All right? Right here. Had a meeting with Congressman Cummings on Tuesday, August the 13th, at his office before he died. That's Congressman Cummings. And we talk about Maryland's correctional enterprise in 2018. Well, really ever since it's been started. That's Steny Hoyer. Governor Westmore. All right? Ooh. Governor Westmore. And that's Maryland's prison industry. O'Malley's money machine. That's Attorney General Anthony Brown. And that's my YouTube page. See right here? 2007. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. That's Governor Westmore. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. All right? In regards to my documentary. You in the documentary, it's about the Democratic Party. All right? Right here. United States Attorney General's office. Charles Street. See the date? See the date? 2019. Assistant Attorney General. All right? That's Johnny Oleski asking for a federal investigation and ain't nobody did nothing yet. It's 2024. That's 5 years. All right? That's Senator Ben Cardin's. That's the Freedom of Information Act. Right here. Release all material to the voters. Governor O'Malley. When he was governor, you was Attorney General. You was Vice Governor. You was Lieutenant Governor. You feel me? So, Anthony Brown, everything that you got, you need to turn over. That's called voter suppression. That's Amnesty International. I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country. That's Dwayne G. Davis, Baltimore activist. All right? About the corruption in the courts. That's Amnesty International. This is to prove I'm making a movie so you can't sue us. All right? That's Officer Littleton. That's Senator Kelly. He gave me $10,000 to make this movie. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. The Maryland Black Arts District. Shorty, pull your mask up? I'm the Weaver in Baltimore, the 2021 Weaver Award winner, M&T Bank. Those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. You got those criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger and you ain't opened your mouth. That's the NAACP. Kobe Little, Derek Johnson, Willie Flowers, all right? That's me filing a class action lawsuit in Lake County, Illinois, and you refuse me access to the court. We will confront racism to create a more inclusive world. We stand in solidarity with our black partners, customers, and communities. We will not be bystanders. I gave you Frederick Douglass. I gave you Thurgood Marshall. I gave you these black leaders, and I gave it to you to the NAACP, and they turned their back on me. These are the criminal charges. Like I said, your prison industry, right here. Your correspondence with the city solicitor's office. See the date? 2010. That's February 2nd, 2011. That's Bank of America, legal processing, and the state of Maryland accepted forged checks. And those are the forged checks. That's not my signature. I was locked up in another state. That's the Civilian Review Board. And I filed my paperwork, excessive force, harassment, false imprisonment, false arrest. And y'all ain't did nothing for this toilet. That's what you locked me up for. And that's the Illinois case. I gave you the shorty program. You asked for a program. I gave you a program, and I gave you all parts of the program. All right. Religious callings, health and medical, construction, business, real estate. I gave you Devin Allen. Visual and performing art, political involvement, photography, journalism, law, sports, and cultural events. So the law say that you got to protect my rights. I got a right to property. I'm out $250 million in intellectual property. And if you go to Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court, they got this. See when they got it? April 30th, 2024. You the Attorney General. Activism ain't terrorism. And what I did, I didn't do, and I didn't break the law. I fought the law and the law lost. I shocked the sheriff and I pissed off the deputy. Sheriff Fisher, Sheriff Coran. Yeah, we're going to go to court. Sheriff Cogan, Judge Carrion, Judge Mary Barbera. It's all about the courts, baby. Just like Tawanda Jones. Yeah, I don't get no justice. You don't get no peace. I got my paperwork in order. Ben Crump, Nick Mosby, Marilyn Mosby. Yeah. When I came down there to Greenbelt and I wanted to protest Marilyn Mosby, it's because of this. That's Governor Westmore. See the date? Governor Westmore got this. And it's about your prison industry, taking our black fathers away from our black families, taking our mothers away from their children. You feel me? So you can't say nothing about that. This is to prove I was making a documentary. Like I said, that's Senator Kelly. That's Tim Williams. That's Sitnor. And that's you. So what you gonna do? You got my paperwork. Making a documentary ain't against the law. Y'all made Baltimore the Wire. That's Baltimore Rewired. The money behind the machine.